Good afternoon, parents and friends, and thanks for joining me this afternoon for my regular Thursday afternoon cup of tea. Well, the Golf Youth Sport Award shortlist came out earlier this week, and we're extremely proud here at Kent College to have two of our students, David Vellinger in Year 12 and also Sarah Norden in Year 7, who appeared on the list, alongside Mrs. Jane Jauncey, our PE teacher. We wish them all the best. The voting is now closed. The winners will be announced tomorrow. So please stay tuned to your social media. We wish them all the best in the end result. Look, I'm just about to duck downstairs to see Mr. Raz Khan, who's our High Performance Tennis Academy coach. He's got some great gifts for our new scholars. So give me one moment. Be back in a tick. This afternoon we're outside the front entrance of Senior School, where Mr. Raz Khan, come on over, Raz, is joining us today and presenting our tennis scholars with some fantastic gifts of rackets, shoes, clothes. He's a great chap. So thank you very much, Mr. Raz.
Thanks. Hey, thanks for having me.
That's
All right, here we go. So here we got rackets, we got shoes, we got bags. So yeah, they deserve it, and that's what they get in the tennis scholarship. Other than the really awesome tennis coaching and the free burgers, right? So that's why they're here. So,
Thanks very much, Raz.
Cheers.
Thanks very much, everyone.
Cheers.
Back again. Boy, it's hot outside today. Well, some really great news. We have our in-school and after-school swimming program starting again next week here at Kent College. It's been more than 18 months since our students have had the chance to be in the water. So, as such, I'd like to introduce you to our new swim coach, Mr. Paul Murphy. Now, some of you may remember Paul when he was a member of the Aquatic Swim Club's coaching panel. Well, Coach Paul has now settled into Kent College and he's taken like a fish to water as a core member of our PE team. I'm sure you'd be as delighted as I am to welcome Coach Paul to the team. Finally, after much to do, our ECA sign-ups opened up this afternoon at 2 p.m. through Schools Buddy. A big thank you to Mr. Darren Brown and Miss Charlotte Butler for their organisation. Registrations will remain open until midnight on Sunday night, so do get those registrations in as soon as you can. Also, if you are a new parent to Kent College this academic year, Mr. Parkin has gladly given of his time to put a video together to show you how easy it is to register your child in an ECA. So that link will be on our school newsletter today. Well, that's a wrap for this week. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great weekend all, and until the next Thursday, have a great weekend. Bye now.